Hey guys, how's it going? This is going to be a pretty simple and straightforward tutorial. What we're going to be looking at today is an issue with Vegas Pro 22 where your 60 FPS footage is being displayed at only 30 FPS or below. So even though your footage is 60 FPS when it was recorded, you render it in 60 FPS, it's still not in 60 FPS because Vegas works fucking brilliantly. Anyway, you just want to load into Vegas. All you want to do is find the options button at the top here, click on this and scroll down to where it says preferences right at the bottom. Now if you click on this, it will bring up a load of shit which you don't need to know. The only thing which you do need to know is this tiny little button here which is called File I/O. Click on this and towards the bottom of this is a little bit of text which says enable legacy AVC decoding. Now hopefully this is unchecked for you because what you want to do is actually check this box. You want to have this setting on. Once you click the box, you should just apply it down here, click OK. Vegas will probably ask you to restart the software, reopen your project, and fingers crossed this should fix your issue. God knows why this isn't on by default, but Vegas is shocking, so there you go. Hope it helped. If it did, leave a like. Thanks for watching. Catch you lot in a bit.